Want to increase the size of the health bar in Call of Duty but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to increase the size of the health bar in Call of Duty. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, click on the settings icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After that, tap on Basic from the left side of your screen. Then scroll down to Teammate HUD Settings. Here you can see Health Bar Scale. Tap on the plus sign below it. And that's how you can increase the size of the health bar in Call of Duty. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.